Ooh, it's your boy Lil Speaker, man. We finally here, man. We finally here, man. Welcome to the AI Plug, man. This is your boy Lil Speaker, man. Welcome. I've been really thinking about doing this channel for a couple months now, and I finally got the nuts to finally do it, man. So we here, man. Let's go. I am the AI Plug, and I am here to drop knowledge for the street. Keep it all the way 100 and real on this channel, so you never behind and you always stay ahead. Here at the AI Plug, I break that tech shit down so simple, even your grandma gonna be able to understand this shit. You feel me? Hey, man, so without further ado, man, let's episode 1, man. Let's get into this shit, man. Yeah, and make sure you do not forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. I will be dropping videos, 2, 3 videos a week, maybe even more. Who knows? Hit that notification bell so you won't miss nothing. All right, man. So what exactly is AI? What is AI? AI is like that slick dude on the block that be watching everything. How you move, what you like, all that shit. You ever seen an ad about some shoes that you was just talking about? Yeah, man, that's AI listening. And I bet some of y'all like, why the fuck would I give a damn about AI? What it got to do with me? It's everywhere, fam. It's in your phone. Even affect how the police moving now. It's basically a computer brain that learns from what it sees and then start predicting shit. Like, have you ever got a text from Netflix asking would you vibe to this show? That's AI peeping your watch history and predicting what's next. Think about your phone's autocorrect. It used to mess up your slang texting all the time, right? Now I bet when you text on your phone, the slang is coming through all the way perfect. That's AI studying you and learning you as you go on the phone. AI is not no robot overload. It's just a program that's just trying to keep up with us. That's all. So now I bet y'all wondering, how is AI able to do all of this? So basically, when you feeding data to AI, it's like dealing out the deck of cards, basically. It's all about math and patterns. Okay, let's say you show AI a million pair of sneakers. It's gonna start analyzing all the sneakers and be like, oh, okay, the ones with the swishes, those are Jordans. The fat chunky sneakers, those are the Yeezys. You're gonna feed it that data, and then okay, you show it a new picture, then AI gonna be able to look at it and say, oh, okay, that's Jordan. Why you think your iTunes playlist slapping so fucked up right now? Every time you play a song and be vibing to it, it take that, it read it, it's gonna feed you back suggestions of music that you might like even better. AI stacking up every song that you vibe to and building the vibe just for you. This ain't no magic. It's just numbers getting crushed like a hustler count his stack. All right, and there you have it, episode 1. Y'all know now, AI, that shit ain't magic. It's numbers, man. AI is the future. AI is running shit. And if you don't get with the program and learn this shit, you gonna get played and left behind. Next episode, we're gonna be talking about AI and where AI be hiding at in the hood. Y'all stay locked in. Yeah, and if you was feeling this and you like the vibe of the channel, you know what I'm saying? Hit the like, subscribe, and tell your crew to pull up, man. Lil Speaker, we out. Woo!